Okay, go for it.
Let's go. Some print. Look at that. A sunfish. That is sunfish. Look at that. Did that sound?
Mm.
And that's a beaver making stick. Let's go pick shells. I said Cammy. And the kids went to pick shells. And there was a turtle laying some eggs.
And what kind of turtle is that? Do you remember?
I don't know.
A painted
Turtle.
painted terrapin.
Painted terrapin.
Good.
The painted terrapin was laying some eggs.
Mm.
And Sam licked some blueberries too. Let's go pick some blueberries, said Cammy. Let's go pick some blueberries, said Cammy.
And what was Cammy's brother's name?
I don't know.
William. And what did they see in the tree there? They saw a skin.
Just saw skin.
Okay, turn the page.
And there was a snake. Snakes make skins. And that's another great heron in a brown. What's that fish named?
A bluegill.
The blue heron is in the bluegill. Let's go, said Cammy. The mud is squishy. And soft. And the beaver eats. And that's the beaver.
That's an otter.
It is an otter. Otters make sticks.
Otters use sticks to make houses, yeah.
Sticks to make houses. Ate the blueberries. There's some blueberries waiting for us, said Cammy. And there's Sam. And what is that?
That's the William jumping into the water.
And what is that?
That's it. The end.
It's nothing. And what is that right there?
That's William.
It is William.